So you have a newsletter, you can have a question of the week, you have social media, you could do a question of the week. You have a podcast, you could answer one question, you could do a short 10-episode podcast of your most frequently asked questions. And that makes it just so much more warm and fuzzy and human than just writing it out on your website. And, you can, I know Stella, since you write scripts and things like that, you can help them get there and get comfortable with that. And a lot of times what we'll do is we'll do Zoom like this. We'll ask the question, we'll have them say the answer, we'll edit ourselves out, put in a slide with the question. And videos are just some of the best performers on YouTube. It's just
right. Or you could even make a whole podcast out of one or two questions.
Yeah.
Go into more depth.
Yeah.
So I don't know, let's say your question was, what are the 3 things I should look for when buying a new jet? Like if you're Tom Lalo, it's like, okay, in a short FAQ on your website, you'll say A, B, C. But then you could do a whole entire webcast going into greater depth on A, and why this is important and all the different things, and B, why this is important and all the different things. You can just make them so much more detailed and more relevant than just quick, short answer.